Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a React app in our system. So for that, we need to install the tool called Create React App tool. So this tool available in npm, and that means Node Package Manager. For that, we need to install npm. For that, we need to go to the Node.js website and we need to install the Node.js. So if you install the Node.js, automatically npm package also will come with the node.js. So for that we need to open a new tab and we need to type the node.js. Then we need to go to the node.js main website and here we see this is the LTS long-term service version and the current version. So don't download the current version. Why? Because they are continuously upgrading the current versions. So download always the LTS, the long-term stability version, long-term support version. So recommended for the most users. So how to download is click on this. Based on the your OS, it will download it. Or otherwise, if you want to see the OS, then you see LTS long-term supports to Windows installer, Mac OS installer, source code, or here we see the Linux binaries or all that. Based on your platform, it will download automatically, or otherwise you can come here and download it. I already downloaded. After download it, if the this is I'm saying for the Windows users, download after downloading the node.exe file, then click on it and run that. It will install into our system. So after installing, you need to open the cmd, type cmd. You will get the two cmds. One is the inbuilt Windows cmd command prompt, otherwise node.js command prompt. You can open anything. So I opened the node.js command prompt. Come here and see, need to first check whether our node is installed or not. For that we need to do, so node hyphen version, we need to type the command called node hyphen version. It will simply give the version of the node. And also if you want to see the npm version, npm hyphen version, then it will display the npm versions also. Currently I am running with the node version 14.15.0 and the npm version 6.4.14.0. So you can type these commands in our Windows command prompt or in Windows node.js command prompt in anywhere. So what the commands we need to do is node hyphen version and npm hyphen version to check the version. So after seeing the versions, you are good. You install the node.js and npm. So we want to install the what? We have to install the create React app. With the help of that only we can create the React project, entire React project. You can create the React project manually also, but if you create the React project manually, that is a huge thing. And so many files are there, so many files how to create manually. So with the create React app, we can create it simply. So for that we need to type npm I means install. You can use a shortcut I, or you can use type the install. So create, this is the package name, the all in small letters. So don't type in capital letters. So package name you have to give the exactly. So this is the package name, create react hyphen app. This is the exact package name. So it will create the, it will download the create react app folder from the npm tool. So we need to give after that hyphen g to install the globally. For that, why we are installing the globally is to available like this tool entirely. That means in all the folders. Otherwise if you install in the one folder, then whenever you open that folder, then only you can create the React project. So if you want to create anywhere in your computer, you need to give the tag called -g. So if you enter this, The create react app tool will automatically download it into your browser. So I already installed that. So type it and press the enter. We will install it will install the create react app tool. After that, what we will get is we will get the create react app command, and that means with the help of the create hyphen react-app. This command we will get after installing the create-react-app uh, uh, package from the npm. We will get the create-react-app command. With the help of this create-react-app command, we can create the uh, project anywhere in our system. Why? Because we installed our create-react-app package in globally. So what we need to do is here just simply type the create-react-app app command and give the name of the project. What is the name you are you want to give the name of the project? I am giving the first react project. So press the enter. It will install. It will take some time to create the whole react project. So you can see that. So create a new react app in the path location and the installing package. This might take a couple of times. Installing react dom and react script with the craw templates, all these things we are seeing that. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes, and it will need the network connection also to install that project. So after installing, we will see the how the project structure will be. Our React project completed successfully. So what are the files that are presented in this React project? We need to see them by using the Visual Studio Code. For that, we need to download an Visual Studio Code. Go to the browser and search for the Visual Studio Code. We will find that, and we will find the Visual Studio Code versions for the Windows. You will find the Visual Studio Code versions for the Windows, Mac, and the Linux. Download whatever the OS that your system have. After downloading that, open the Visual Studio Code. Go to the file and select the open folder and select the folder that you created by using the create-react-app, the location of that folder. So my folder is in this PC C users, my name. This is the my folder. So select that folder and we will get the folder was loaded here. So if you see that these are the files that are present in our react project. So first one is the node models. So this contains all the dependencies that we need to create this project, and this is the public folder and the source folder. In public folder you can place the index.html. This is the page where we our whole code will dump to see on the browser. So along with that, we can place our logos and fav icons also. So our main code was written in the source. In that we will see the two files. One is the app.js and second one is the index.js. In index.js we will have the code that will render our React code into the index.html, and actually we write the code in app.js. This is the code. I will explain this code about all these things in our next video, but just see what are the files that are presented in our project react project. So under app.js, here we will write the our code. So these are the code that are already presented in this project. So next, if we see the after the source, we have the git ignore file. It contains the files that what you have to ignore before pushing to the git. And we have the package log.json and package.json. Package.json contains all the dependencies and also gives the information about the whole project. And readme file, just file to read. So if you want to run this project, React project, what the command you need to type is we have that information in README file. If you see that, so npm start in this project directory, you can run npm start. Then it will run the project in the localhost 3000. So if you see that, you can run this command in the cmd terminal by opening in the by typing the cmd in the search box and opening, or otherwise you can open the terminal itself in the Visual Studio Code by pressing the control and tilt by pressing the control and tilt. You can close the command prompt in Visual Studio Code and you can open the command prompt in Visual Studio Code. So here we can write, okay, how to type the npm start. It will run the our React code and it will show the whatever the code that was written in the web browser. So it's running. This is our first project. This is the project that we are created by using the React create and react app. That project has the default code. The output of that code is this. It will transfer the localhost 3000 server. So React by default it has a local server support. So this is the about the creating the React project by using the create and react app package. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.